Good morning, class 4. We will continue with measurement of length. Now you already know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters and the same 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Okay, now when we are converting from meters to centimeters, today we will be doing converting centimeters to meters. Yesterday we did converting meters to centimeters. Okay, where when you have to change from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply the meters by 100. So if 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters, then 5 meters equals to 5 into 100, which is 500 centimeters. Or I've given another example here, 3 meters into centimeters. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters, then 3 meters will equal to 300 centimeters because it's multiplication into 100. Then the next one is change 2 meters 30 centimeters to centimeters. So like yesterday how I showed you here, 5 meters equals to 500 centimeters plus the 20 centimeters will give you 520 centimeters. Or straight away directly I showed you, just keep the 5 over there and take the 20, join the 5 and the 20 together, you will get 520 centimeters. Alright, same thing out here, 2 meters equals to 200 centimeters plus the 30 centimeters. So that gives us 230 centimeters. Or you just take the 2 and the 30, you will get 230 centimeters. Okay, so that was easy. That was converting from centimeters, that was converting from meter to centimeter. Now we come to converting centimeter to meter. Now as I told you yesterday, when you are converting from meter to centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. Okay, but when you are converting from centimeter to meter, then you have to divide by 100. Okay, you have to divide by 100. Now let's take the example of this one. Convert 200 centimeters to 1 meter. Now you already know that if you're changing from centimeter to meter, you already know that 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. So 100 centimeter equals to 1 meter. Then 200 centimeter will equals to 2 meters. Even if you divide by 100, okay, you will get 2 meters. Okay, or if you're changing, say, 400 centimeters, then 400 centimeters will be 4 meters. 700 centimeters will be 7 meters. Okay, because if 100 centimeter equals to 1 centimeter, then 400 centimeter equals to 4 centimeters. Okay, you just have to take away the zeros. In meters, in meter to centimeter, you are adding 2 zeros, isn't it? To the 5 you added 2 zeros. Out here to the 400 you are removing 2 zeros. For the 200 centimeters you are removing 2 zeros and you are left with 2. Out here you're removing 2 zeros and you are left with 7 or with 4. That's your answer there. But in the next part, this part, convert 345 centimeters. In converting 345 centimeters, you write the question down, 345 centimeters. Now you have to divide by 100. This is where you had learnt in division about quotient and remainder, how to find quotient and remainder, to go 2 numbers back, because 100 has 2 zeros. Okay, if you remember in division, to find quotient and remainder when you are dividing by 100 or 1000, okay, that's what we are going to use right now. So 345 divide by 100. Now 100 has 2 zeros, so you go back 1, 2 zeros, stop here, you bring this will be your 3 meters. This will become your 3 meters, and this one, this 45 becomes centimeters. So 345 centimeters equals to 3 meters and 45 centimeters. Okay, since 100 has two zeros, so instead of dividing, okay, instead of doing long division by 100 like this, okay, which takes very long, okay, don't do this. Okay, directly put like this: 3, 4, 5 divide by 100. Since 100 has two zeros, you go back two numbers, okay, and whatever number is on the left, this one becomes the meters, and whatever numbers on the right becomes the centimeters. I'll give you another example. Say, let's take 870 centimeters. So you divide 870 centimeters. 870 divided by 100. Okay, so since 100 has two zeros, you go back two numbers. This number 8 becomes the meters, and 70 is your centimeters. Okay, so even if you get big numbers, for example 1749 centimeters, same thing you have to do. 1749 divided by 100. Okay, 100 has two zeros. Alright, so you go back two numbers, 1, 2, and this number, whatever's on the left, 17 becomes the meters, 49 becomes the centimeters. So this is converting centimeters to meters. Okay, of course centimeters to meters is only out here, centimeter to meter, one number. Okay, here centimeters to meter and centimeter. Okay, so I hope you've understood this. Now, there were only sums in the textbook about converting meter to centimeter, which you did yesterday. I hope you understood that. Okay, please watch the video again. For today's converting centimeter to meter, I will give you the sums and you do it in your maths copies. Okay, do it just the way I showed you right now for this one, for the big numbers, so that you don't have any confusions. Okay, thank you guys.